What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. You would have seen this beautiful work of art, the V12 RC engine on the channel before. New and improved. This is the new MCU model, which basically stands for Motor Control Unit. So yes, electronic ignition on an RC engine. Isn't that amazing? Awesome. The old one had two distributors on one side and you have to have a battery on each side. This one can just use 2S to 3S LiPo battery. So there's many benefits of electronic ignition, and you can go read all about it if you want. Go check out the links if you want. The old model and this new model is available online as well. But the harmonics and the sound of this guy sounds incredible. It sounds like an old V12 Formula 1 car, and absolutely love it, or Lamborghini Murcielago, something like that. Sounds schmick. The V8 sounds awesome as well, but I don't know, the V12 just sounds amazing. So if you're interested about all these, go check out the links below. And there's also an amazing gearbox as well, which it looks amazing. But this, I think I'd love to put it in a boat. What do you guys think? This would sound amazing in a boat. Something hasn't really been done before, and I'd just like to see it. It just kind of be like a direct drive. But yeah, I think that'd be pretty interesting. But what do you guys reckon? So I sent it back to the guys. They fitted the new system on here, as you can see. A little bit different where the plugs are and everything like that. This nice little setup. Check out all this. Super simple. All those wires go into one box, and it just has one battery going into it all. Really nice, really clean, and I do really like that new setup. Now it does have a starter motor, obviously. With you need a brushless. It does come now with a brushless starter motor. Before it was a brushed with the distributor model. Now it's a brushless, so you obviously need a brushless starter. Now, because this is basically a new motor, it's very hard to turn over. 12 cylinders, a lot of friction and compression there for that small, well, not really small, but for that starter motor to get it going. So initially you kind of need a drill, and has to be above 1500 RPM. So this little brushless, what is it called? This wasn't doing the trick, so I had to get my old school Makita out. I'll show you in a minute. I'll start it up and just show you how it sounds. Sounds very similar. The good thing about this, it has a higher RPM range as well. Now I think it's from 2,000 to 12,000, something like that. And the older one is 3,500 to 10,000. So it does rev out high, and I believe it has a lower RPM as well. So it's really cool. It's got auto brake up, auto advance, all that kind of stuff. Much benefit to having electronic ignition, but won't leave this video for too long. You've already seen it. I'll start it up so you can hear it. Might not be able to hold it while I'm starting it, but let me try to put the camera down and I'll show you. You get the idea. How good does that sound? I couldn't start it with one hand, but yeah. Basically just put the drill up there. Has to be about 1500 RPM, so that's why, just to get it started. Obviously run it in, do the procedure, I need to add the oil, all that kind of cool stuff, but check out that, huh? How amazing did that sound? Alright guys, didn't want to keep it too long, but like I said, go check it out. New MCU version, much better. So glad it's available. Yeah, this company is amazing. Check out some of their other stuff. Go check out their YouTube channel as well. It's stunning. Their work is second to none. It's absolutely amazing. But thanks guys. Like I said, put it in the boat. Give me some suggestions for what hull would be good for this, like a catamaran or a tunnel boat, something like that I think. But thanks guys. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.